Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Battlefield. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations. Are you facing cloud activation log lines? Are you stuck on a cloud activation log lines? Log to owners on any iPhone device? How easily you can fix it at your home? We will see with real demonstration in this tutorial. So let's learn and apply a similar strategy. Right now, this is log 2 owner. We are facing this device. Came at my shop at the morning time today. Now we would like to especially terminate this permanently, and we would like to transfer the new Apple ID with password by using iTunes. So how it is possible? Just we will go for another administration, that is iTunes. On iTunes here also, due to old ID especially, maybe it's having a problem here that it's not going to configure it. Maybe especially old iOS, old device, due to that, it's having the problem here that it is not coming, especially see this iTunes. So in that condition, firstly, we will come in a here preference options where it is just we will tap at let's. However, it's not the coming especially. So maybe especially due to because of that. So just we will back and we will open another app to reactivate all the especially data that is inside or retaining on this particular this device. So this app is now Blob Saver. Don't worry, either your device is in the stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted. In a situation, you can apply a similar strategy if you are having. It happens mostly when you have entered multiple times wrong passcode on any particular, or maybe you are not an owner of any particular device, and due to entering of the many times wrong passcode, multiple times wrong passcode, it is stacked, it is everything, and is stacked to locked to owner. So don't worry, easily you can fix it. Firstly, we will have to read it. So I now see all the detail cam here ECID. Now here smartly what we will do guys here, just we will have to select the include betas. Of course we will select these all and we will go for edit. So it's asking that it will switch on into the especially recovery to DFU, and it will try to read the yes AP nouns, and AP nouns reading of it, all the data will be reactivated, maybe old and due to maybe freeze and things happens, and that's why not say reading as special items. So just apply a similar strategy. Now see it's not frozen. Trying again. So see guys, it's unfreezing of everything that is inside of that, and due to it's going to link to the particular Apple ID and password with password of any especially particular ID that will be. Now see here is a sanction. Okay, no problem at all. Let me close this. Now see it's Camona. Still having. Don't worry. Don't do extra anything, so guys. Just we will come in here and we'll go for especially once again. Check it out. Now still having just so we can close this iTunes. So but iTunes is also fresh now. So what do you say guys? Can I read one more? No. Yes, we can read it, but firstly, no. Fine here just now see this iTunes has completely and maybe a special unfreeze the device and reset sensing restrictions. Fine here, just all the detail are coming now. If share the software, we will come on here just automatically new software update that we will have to pick now because we have refreshed. And now see this item how easily it comes show device of the trash the old tracks. Of course we will apply here Wami trust a special file of that, and this thing's fine. So we came on here. Now we will reset all the keycha, we will reset the warning of that, and yes, once again we will go for him. Now see guys, here we can reset everything's fine. Now what we will do here, just in sharing defaults fine in the play, of course everything is okay. Here is especially also checkbox in the store, everything is especially files in a device also doing the sensing of the prevent of that. See, I puts from sensing automatically it's prevent. So just let's say connect of it. Now reset history sensing, and then we will tap on it here, and everything should be have especially selected. So now we will go for okay files. Now the once again we can close it. So this item has a close. Now what we will do, guys, everything I have closed, once again we will go for error. So now let's see. Yes, sometimes due to old days, especially all the retaining data that is totally fresh, so we will have to unfreeze, then we will delete whatever the data is inside of the retaining, especially any particular device. So apply a similar strategy. It's a totally free of course at your home. You can do it without any hassles. A little bit, it will take a much more time, maybe half an hour or maybe especially 20 minutes. So timer I have already started here. Now you can watch off each second. I will give you information that what's happening and apply similar strategy. You will see that wow, what results is the comics because multiple devices have been unlocked by a similar strategy. Now it's saying the invalid host of that, maybe this thing, so restarting both of that. Fine, we will close this and we will be here now trying to restart and our device and computer if it doesn't work again and the trusted offers finds. Now just let's deselect of this, and once again we will attempt to this ones. Now maybe especially guys here this data cable, let's proper way files. Now we will go for once again and we will select the language. We go for especially here country selections, and thereupon further we will go for it. Let's see. Now last time, so we will go for especially here once again, and then let's see. Yes, we will go for it. Yes, we will go for it. Now it's entering once again. Now it has the rest in DFU, but in the still it's the readings fines. We will have to wait. Not frozen. Try again. Fines. Fine. We will have to wait here. We'll have to wait here. Let me close this. Now still it's going once again. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait, guys. Yeah. Fine. We will have to wait here 2 times, maybe. Especially it will go in the recovery DFU and the readings once again. Just have a calm, guys, here because now successfully got it. Thank you, guys. Now see here, successfully I got even now. So finally we have completed these things. Now surely 100% in this device would be especially terminated permanently from the any kind, either it's the time screen passcode, iDevice mobile management, or iCloud activation lock link or lock toner. Now succeed fine, we will click on here. Now we will come in especially I'm in toolbox on 3U tool, then we will come in here, and now we will go with the inside of the delete and everything. So yeah, how easily this can be now. So yes, we will already select it. Now we will go for 11 files, delete files, all the files that we have deleted. Now see, still it is linked, then we will have to go for finally refreshing, so there is no especially now retaining data inside of it. Then once again, can I go the real times, all the Safari along the browser almost clear 8 layers to 20 times, guys, here and the bones. Let's go for the inside of ads without of course we'll go for now here Simply pass all the recently that browsed, or for maybe especially old it was a frozen, so everything's now reactivated. Now see freshly it's ready to now unlocks this device. So can I have the one more time iTunes? Let's have what's the saying here? Now still it is now, but finally we have done it, guys, because it was a given the message succeed. So just we will close it, and now don't worry, we will transfer with password new Apple ID on it. How it is possible, I will show you. Now here what we will do, just we will have to go for one tool open also more, that is imaging PC. All the retaining data from the Apple database server that we had cleared. Now we will come on especially here, remind me later, trial version we are using. So no problem, this feature is available for trial versions. You can apply. Let's cancel this and show device controls. Now we will go for it. Yeah. Let's say clear, and let me have the biggest screen so that of course easily you will be able to. Yeah. Yes, we will come on here, and at least 20 times we will have to. Yes, let's this one cancel, and then we will clear. Now see, this data are coming fine. These data are coming. At least 20 times we will have to clear, guys. Let's especially I will just minimize so that it will be a more visible for you. Now we will come in here. Let's clear. Now we ready to especially keep it on here. On the other hand, of course, we will try to import a new firmware. Let it accumulate in this here all the cloud retaining data. Now here is especially refresh. So here just we will select the cloud, especially quick flash mode, and upon here what we will do, guys, here just we will try to import a new firmware, that is especially this latest one. What is it? Especially 26 point. Here we can see this one. Latest one is especially 3. Just we will try to import. So just let's cancel. So then we will keep on a desktop and we will import. So it has started to verify on desktop here kept. This firmware can be downloaded from the various website. One is especially yes ipsw.beta.com. Second is especially ipsw.com, and the third is that is yes on itself www.3u.com. So now it's let it complete 100% verifications, and then we will go for ahead. Now that we can see here, guys, yes fine, it has imported. So without making a delay, just we will come in here on a toolbox 2. Of course we will have to put this device manually on a recovery mode, and upon of course here just we will come in here this keep clearing, guys. So almost we have a clear. So can I close? Yes. Can I close this? Yes. Now we will have to close this one also, because successfully we have done it. Now we are on here just device. We will go the inside of it, and therefore we will have to pick this one, because this one we have imported. Quick flash mode we have selected here. Don't select in this quick flash battery. Now easily we can especially we will have to wait here. Yes, 10 to 12 minutes. This whole procedure will be completed, and we will transfer the new Apple ID by using a special iTunes, and iTunes will be also fully functional. So let's see now what's going to happen, guys. Don't do extra things, anything, guys. Do it. Any old frozen device, especially or new device, if that is stuck on a cloud activation lock links, of course, simply you will have to apply by using this strategy step by step, and you will see the result that yes how easily we can. Of course it will build your confidence that easily all the things that we can. See, during the especially this procedure or flashing process, the device may restart the multiple times. So please don't unplug the device, guys. And be calm, so don't do extra anything here. And during the flashings, you should have especially a second internet connection. If any error will comes, then you will have to especially by changing internet connection, quickly fix it. Because if you disconnect any internet connections, especially from your PC up for 1 minute, then it will give you error in a cloud data and Apple database. So this way. Now we have the rest on the 52%. Let's see what's going to happen. Now guys, we will have to beat and especially comes. Any error will comes, it will notify you that this kind of error is happening here. Then you will have to especially go for troubleshoot of it. But more than 52% we have a complete. How it is possible? Just look at on there. More than 70% we have a completed, guys. It was a especially old device with old iOS inside of it. Maybe especially that's why especially 2-3 times we had to reactivate all the retained data. Especially that was on this device by using the blob shares and they played the vital role there to reactivate successfully. Then we are able to delete all the things either it was coming from the cloud or from Apple data. Now the finally we have the completed, guys. Don't worry, now we will take scarcely 10 minutes from here and this device will be completely unlocked. So the permanently unlocked. Whatever you would like to do with especially this device. As a nuance, you can be the beneficiary of it. And of course, I will show you directly that we will transfer the new Apple ID with creating a password especially on it as a nuance. So just waiting for especially the result. Let it complete 100% is then data cable that should be originals. Thus, this data cable should be original. Once again, I repeat this internet connection. You should have a alternative one for support when especially for risk managing. When it will stack on Apple logo if especially internet connection disconnecting the midst of it. So, or maybe a server disturbance. So because it's a totally game of especially whatever the data is written in the cloud data and Apple database server. So it's a security of the Apple data and the cloud data. So if there will be no retaining any data, there will be no anything especially inside of the F7 applications and that was locked with the particular any ID, Apple ID, then of course as a nuance it will be a functional. So I reactivated and thereupon of course successfully. So it given that 100% is the can especially should be unlocked. So let's time the waitings more than especially 90% we have completed and they're still there 50% it's happening. So don't worry, in front of you everything so data cable everything is happening. Just we will have to wait and watch till the end of it. Almost, guys, how much minute we spent on this tutorial? Of course 18 minutes. So the further 7 minutes give me a hand. Of course we will fix everything. Two more devices and today we will have to unlock it. So apply a similar strategy. Some of the viewer they are giving thanks, but some of us, especially who couldn't do a similar strategy or a similar way, then they are the blemish that of course not going to function. So in front of you everything's happening, guys. Watch carefully and of course you had it. And yes, 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial also. So please, it's my request, don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be crucial and taught you the very important informations and very important information, guys. That's if you are a shopkeeper, then you must watch it 2-3 times because all the issues that we will troubleshoot in these tutorials. Sometimes when your device freeze on Apple logo, then how you manually exit of it so that all the tools and the travel will be detectable or functional. Otherwise, if frozen on Apple logo, then all the device drivers will not be functional on it. So up volume leave it, down volume leave it, then keep holding this. side key till it's not exit from the DFU. And this is an easy way task manually that we can do it, and all the tools and driver will be detectable. And iTunes was a completely freeze, and they still it's not detecting the proper way. So that's why I'm saying, guys, of course, do apply a similar strategy that I did, especially on these tutorials. Now, still on a 74% we are waiting, and here more than 99% we have completed, and when there's still what we can here, so we'll have to wait here. Now it's completed. Fans, congratulations that it has notified that we have completed. So now we will come on a specially toolbox. In toolbox, we'll have to wait for batch activations. When it will be highlighted within the 20 seconds, then we will skip all the setting, the reasons, of course, language, Wi-Fi, locations, Apple ID, Face ID, Touch ID, everything. So of course we will. So don't worry. Just we will have to wait. Let it highlight it. Within a 20 seconds we will execute. So don't do extra anything, so just apply a similar steps. Now it's coming crucial step, guys, here. And that if error will come, and then of course we will immediately change the internet connection and fix it. But now see, it has been highlighted. Just we will tap on it, and thereupon of course we will go for here, and we will go for hit this one. So let's see what's going to happen here now. Yes, we will have to wait here, we will have to wait here, we will have to wait. And here any error will come, immediately change the internet connection. Once again this start button will be highlighted, and thereupon push this, then this will come on here, and this will insert it to a especially rebooting of, and there on the other hand, yes, it will escape and everything. However, on a 2 to 5% error, maybe chances then we'll use especially the virtual private networks, especially of the shells area of any iPhone. Suppose this phone belongs to a Hong Kong, so then we will have to apply of the Hong Kong precise location of your PC, and easily that can surely 100% this can be fixed by using it. So a little bit here is having the problem on a particular some of the device, but let's see if it was old one device, and if any error occurs, quickly we will fix it, and I will show you with especially that instruction also how to. So we are still waiting here. It will take us scarcely 2 to 5 minutes, guys, so don't worry, just we will have to watch, don't do anything. And this is a technical, so first is. So now see, this is now especially activated, and the skip everything, so we have complete. So now what we can on the activation, we can confirm that we will have to wait for 10 seconds, and when it would be highlighted, then we will execute this one, and then we can see the results what's happening inside of it. Now see, this should be highlighted. Now the activation completed. So finally everything, so that we have the completed from my side. So now, sorry, just let me here. Now we will come in here. Just we will have to open especially now iTunes. Let's have what's the saying to the iTunes here. We'll have to wait here, guys. Now see, iTunes is not responding here. What we can here now, because now see here, iTunes is, if I go for an administration, also it's happening. See, maybe iTunes has a damage now. Yes, we will click on here, close, open, and once again we will open this iTunes. Yes, we will go for it similar, let it complete, and surely now it has opened files. Now we will come in here, and we can see the sign is a coming spot. Can I go for here, account to here, see help, and the control, and here is read them at the corner of the sign in. Now we will come in here, inside of it, just we will go for here and go for setting 2. Once again it's coming on here, no problem at all. Yeah, Yes, we will come in here, and yes, we will go for the inside of it and the response. Now see here, it's having a little bit signal problem, that's why especially. Yes, see, yes, we will come in here in the contents and sign into here is not giving options to it, especially I'm clear. So firstly we will go for the inside of it setting to, of course we will come here to the control, and here we will have to enter the Wi-Fi password. Otherwise, of course, if you don't, then we will have to fix this iTunes now because having the error here. So let's enter the Wi-Fi password here on inside of it. So simply we will use a password 420. We'll go for the inside of it now. Now it's having the activations. Now let's see. Now we will see here the result of it. They're still having. Don't do extra anything. Just automatically see the result of that because 3U tool has given. So now there will be there was no retaining data, so there will be no chances that now see we came on a privacy. So what do you say, guys? Here. Now once again we will come here and the sign into a still it's having a little bit problems on this iTunes. So maybe on iTunes it's having a little bit problem, so just we will go for Adele to the later to, of course here is asking a password to, just we will select especially don't use, just we will go for here, don't transfer anything. Now it is just saying so that we don't have any Apple ID. Now set up this later, yes, set up use Apple accounts and don't use, yes, fine. Now we will accept the term and condition, and of course we will go for here continue, clicks not now, set up this later. Now especially now fines we will go for later, we will go for later, we will go for continue, we will go for don't use, and here is lights dance later later, do always everything's later. So now that we come on here, see, get started and gone. Now that we can see here all the details inside of it. Now directly we can click on this account, of course we will go with the sign in of course here. Now what we will do, guys, here, just we will click on a forgot password, or especially and things here is options that forgot password Apple ID, that it's giving options to other create, that we will back, and here is a use another device sign in the manually and don't have Apple ID. So here on this I symbol of don't have ID, so now we will select the especially, and here we'll have an opportunity to the create a new Apple. Now date of birth and things, and then go for create a new Apple ID. If you are unable to execute in this ones, iTunes is still having the problem, so we will fix iTunes and then we would transfer the new Apple ID. Inside the SIM card, there should be no SIM card while the proceeding all the things, guys. Now there should be no SIM card, and now insert the SIM card. If SIM card is not valid, then we will come and especially virtual locations to the common restore the true location, and we will reboot it. So yes, system will be a this shop device will be rebooted, and it will come on a true location, it will be restored on a true location. So if we insert the SIM card, local area networks will be especially come on it, and then enjoy as a new insert device. Now one thing more also I would like to tell you here. On the other hand, so we would like to fix special items, maybe especially some errors are coming, especially on this item. So everything is quietly good, but there's still a special on iTunes is not a proper functioning. So now we will firstly uninstall all the special and the driver of the iTunes and the phone. We will go for once again fix it. So now see we come on a hello screen and everything should be have completed. Now if we go the inside of it, yes, and once again we will come on especially here screen passcode and things, everything is disabled, so quietly good ones. Now yes, now we are installing, so it's taking a little bit times, and thereupon of course we will see the result. So everything will be uninstalled, and then this item will be once again we will try to install, so maybe everything will be a fix easily. So it will take also scarcely I'm the 5 to 10 minute, guys. So further Don't watch now. This is all about any kind of query. Of course, you can raise the query below the comment box. Pleasure will be mine to reply your query, guys. So thank you for staying the till the end of this tutorial, guys. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step by step with new tutorial. So thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content because it really supports this channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. See, there was a problem on SV slave answer, so of course we will have to go for ignore and fix it so that this will be able to SV on some of the particular device and due to bug and device it happens. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed.